Hi, I'm Jennifer Youd, and this is my quick introduction for parents and students to the concept of the flipped classroom. Let's start by looking at how a traditional classroom is managed. For the majority of the class period, students sit in rows while the teacher lectures from the front. The students then go home to work individually on their assigned practice problems for homework. We're so used to this approach that we don't necessarily see the potential problems with it. Problem 1. The pacing of the classroom lecture does not always accommodate the varying learning speeds of the students. Problem 2. Absent students can fall behind, especially when the material builds upon itself. And 3. When at home, students might find it difficult to get help on their homework. But what if the lectures were at home and the homework was in class? It turns out the flipped classroom does exactly this, and it can help with these problems. The flipped classroom has only recently become possible given the ubiquity of modern social media. Anyone with access to an internet-connected computer or smartphone can watch lectures nearly whenever and wherever they like. If you can play Angry Birds, you can watch a lecture. With these videos, students can learn at their own pace and are more in charge of their own learning. At home, they can pause, rewind, and re-watch the videos as they take notes. For the first time, parents can see the lectures as well. Absent students needn't fall behind, and students can prepare for planned absences by working ahead. But what about homework problems? That's the other half of the flipped classroom. At the beginning of class, the teacher will review the notes that students took at home, making sure to answer any questions that they have. Then the students will work on practice problems that they used to do at home. They can work individually or in groups, getting help from the teacher whenever needed. In the flipped classroom, students, parents, and teachers are actively engaged in the learning process. The teacher addresses students instead of addressing the classroom. The students learn at their own pace and get individual help, and the parents get to see how the class is taught. That's it. If you have any more questions, please see the links listed on this video webpage.